Hi guys, Frank here. It is Monday, November the 4th, and in this video I want to real quickly show you how simple it is to submit a banner ad the proper way to get it approved 100% of the time. Before we get there, I want you to take a really close look at this banner right here. We only, display a 468 by 60 banner in the back office. That's what a 468 by 60 banner looks like. If your image is square, don't submit it. It will get rejected because, what happens is the system, regardless of what size of image you submit, if I approve it, it's going to resize it to this size right here, 468 pixels wide, 60 high or 60 tall. And if your image is an odd size, when it resizes it, it's going to be distorted. No one will be able to read it, and no one's going to click it. So you will not be happy with the results you get. And so ideally, submit the right size banner and it's going to get approved, and more than likely you're going to get the most clicks you can get out of it, and hopefully you'll get some conversions too. So let's go into the advertise page and I'll show you what's going on here. So you need, really, there's 3 blanks here. This one is for you. You can put whatever you want in there. We're going to call this banner test, just to put something in there. You need a banner URL and you need a website URL. I'm going to go in and ideally, hopefully, if you're like most marketers, you're promoting other things. If you're not in any other business, then you probably have nothing else to promote. Then, there's really nothing you can do here. But you've got to have a banner URL. You need something to promote. So I'm in a lot of different opportunities. I happen to be in one called Hashing Ad Space, so we're in the back office here. So we're going to use this one right here. You can see they already make it easy. They have the banner URL split out, but we're not going to do that because in most of your opportunities, you're only going to have this information right here. It's going to be in these little a target, HTTPS, and you got your target URL and you've got your image URL. Now what this is, if you copy this full code here, this is for use on a blog or a website. You're not posting it on a blog or a website, but all the information you need is going to be in the back office of whatever business you're promoting. And so the target URL is basically what we call the website URL. That's where we want someone to go if they click on this banner. So we're going to pull that target URL out of this long string of code right here. And there we go. So we've got it copied, and we're going to drop it in as the website URL. Now this is the image search. So what the image search means, that means to go into the files of Hashing Ad Space and search for this image right here, which we're going to pull that URL out, copy it, and we're going to drop it in as the banner URL. We know it's a good image because it's displaying right here. If it was a bad URL, it wouldn't display right there, because this long string of code is what's causing this image to display in the back office of Hashing Ad Space. So we've got our information in here. Now you've heard me talk over and over and over again about always use the preview URL, and I'm going to show you why. So I'm just going to add a 1 to the end of this image URL. Obviously, by adding that 1, this URL is no longer any good. It's not going to go to the right image. So we're going to hit the preview button. And you see what we got here? I've got a blank box where the banner should be. There is no image there because this image URL is no good because this 1's in there. A lot of times when people copy and paste, they leave a space or something in there, and if just a space in there, it won't work. So we're going to take that 1 out. And I'm going to hit the preview button again, and guess what? Now the image displays. So I'm going to hit the submit button on that. And that banner right now has been submitted for me to use. And I'll go in and approve it here in a minute, and it will display in the back office. I want to show you that is the bronze banner ads. So I want to show you now the platinum banner ads, which is a little bit different. And I've got a couple that are blank here. Here's one that's rejected, so I'll just open the one that's rejected. And I reject it because I did it for a video a long time ago. And so we'll just, so what I could do, so say you get one rejected for the wrong reason, you need to put the information in here. Now, you don't see a preview button on the Platinum, and that's because of the way that we have this coded so that there is no expiration date. The Platinum banners are already approved. As you can see, they're approved, but they're blank. So all you're doing is updating a blank ad, and then it comes to me. So I will, if I reject it, don't get your feelings hurt. It just means that the image does not display. That's the only reason I reject any banner ad, is if the image is the wrong size or it does not display. And remember, I just shared with you, this is the only size image. So look at your image. If the URL doesn't work, then it's the wrong size, then you know that it's bad. Or if you see that it's not this size, you know that it's the wrong size. So all you would do in here is put the information in, same thing, the banner, the image URL, whatever you want to call it, and hit the update button because it's already an approved ad that we will update. This is the Platinum ads. Let me go back to one more thing on the Bronze ads, because I've had this question come up a few times. So you can see that I have some banners that I've already tested and pre-approved earlier, just playing around here. I haven't been in here in a while. You can see my last one that I put up was December the 11th. This expired December 11th, 2018. So you can see it's been a while since I've actually used our banner ads in my back office. So when you open this, you're going to see a reuse button. And what this is for, if you want to run this, once you get a banner ad approved, if you want to run the same ad, say 3 times, if you've got a lot of banner ads, you want to run the same ad 3 times in rotation, you can hit this reuse button and it will place the exact same ad. When the ad expires, you can come back in here, hit the reuse button, and you can rerun the same ad again for 14 more days as long as you have credits. What you don't see here is a way for you to change it. And these ads are dirt cheap. You're getting, for $2, you're getting a 14-day banner ad, a 14-day text ad, and you're getting a matrix position that has potential to earn you up over $90,000 total. Obviously, that's a lot of people, but it's a great value for $14. Once you place a bronze banner or text ad, it can't be deleted. Once I approve it, it can't be deleted. It can't be changed. It will run for 14 days. It will auto expire. Then you can go in and place a new ad. If it's something you want to use, you can reuse it by just hitting this button. That's there for your convenience, because otherwise you would have to enter the same information over and over and over again. And some people have, as you can see, some people have hundreds, some people have thousands of banner credits that they can use. So I hope that helps explain. If you have any questions at all, your first place you should always go is your sponsor upline. Try to get connected, try to build a relationship. If you're getting no answers there, then you can always send in a support ticket and I will try to help you. But I need to be your contact after you have tried to reach out upline for assistance, because it is a business and you're making them money. If you're building the business, you're making your sponsor, you're making your upline money. They should take the time to help you. But if they don't help you, you can come to me via support ticket and I will always help if I can. I hope this has been, good information for you. Hopefully it helps you understand a little bit better what information you need in here to submit ads. If you're not in any other kind of business right now, this is the only online opportunity you joined, you may not have anything to advertise right now. But if you are in any type of other business, as though I showed you, I was in Hashing Ad Space, I put an Hashing Ad Space banner up. If you're in any of the other businesses that are in our downline builder, maybe you want to advertise those with your credits. But you do not want to advertise Crypto Pros, because you're advertising to other Crypto Pro members. It's a waste of your time, a waste of your effort. No one's going to click your ad because they're already a member of Crypto Pros. So hope that helps. If not, that's it. Reach out upline. No answer there, then you can come to me for assistance. Thank you.